Bismillah Rahman Rahim, Principal Staff Officers, Ambassador of China to Pakistan, President Katek, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Contract signing ceremony of J10C is a historic moment for Pakistan and as indeed for Pakistan Air Force. No doubt, it is a milestone achievement and a major step forward in our commitment to defend the aerial frontier of Pakistan. On this memorable occasion, I appreciate and acknowledge the support of our all-weather friend and strategic partner, China. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan has always made endeavor to promote peace in South Asia without indulging in any arms race. I take this opportunity to share that our prime focus remains on modernization campaign as we absorb and operationalize new technologies along with enhancing our human resource development, which is very important and fundamental for any organization. While being fully aware of non-contact warfare paradigm, Pakistan strives to maintain its punch through smart induction program of cutting-edge and niche technologies coupled with collaboration with friendly countries and indigenization campaign. I am glad that today's ceremony is a step in the same direction and it will go a long way. While Pakistan is already viable in conflict through prudent tactical application of its existing assets, however, induction of J10C program will fully ensure retention of first shot capability to PF. And that's a very important milestone for PF. Certainly, the J10C state-of-the-art ISR radar and other component along with long-range PL-15 missile would not only boost Pakistan Air Force operational capability, but also ensure desired technological edge in the evolving and changing global regional environment. On this occasion, I thank the government of Pakistan for its all-out support in procurement of J10C aircraft to foster national defense. I express my profound gratitude to His Excellency, the Prime Minister of Pakistan, for his bold decision and vision to enhance the national security of Pakistan. I also thank, ladies and gentlemen, the Honorable Federal Minister of Finance for provision of fund despite stress and challenging COVID-19 pandemic all over the world. Moreover, I extend special thanks to Chief of Army Staff, and I am extremely grateful for his all-out support to Pakistan Air Force in various procurement processes. My special appreciation to His Excellency, Ambassador of China to Pakistan, and other Chinese friends who are present here today, whose supports are very pivotal, and without their support, this contract signing would not have been possible. No doubt, the J10C acquisition is a true manifestation of everlasting friendship between Pakistan and China, and it would go, ladies and gentlemen, in a long way in further strengthening the bilateral ties between the two brotherly countries. Ladies and gentlemen, Alhamdulillah, Pakistan Air Force is on the path of transformation into next generation Air Force. And in that domain, ladies and gentlemen, we made good progress in enhancing capability in space, IT, and cyber domain, in line with the dictates of modern warfare parameters. Certainly, Pakistan Air Force would continue to train hard to be worthy of his legacy of his forefathers and endeavor to remain second to none, as envisaged by the father of nation, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. May Allah guide our effort for strong defense of motherland. Pakistan Air Force, Zindabad, Pakistan, Zindabad.